students, welcome to lecture 13 on the chapter Current Electricity. In this lecture, let us solve some more numericals on this chapter. Question number 1. Find the effective resistance of the given combination of resistors. Okay, now let us try to find effective resistance of this combination step by step. Step 1. Okay, here resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 4 ohm are connected in parallel combination. Hence, their equivalent resistance is given by Rp. That is 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay, taking the LCM of this, we can write it as 6 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 12 is equal to 13 divided by 12. Therefore, Rp is equal to 12 divided by 13, that is equal to 0.92 ohm. Okay, this is the equivalent resistance of these three resistors connected in parallel. Step 2. 1 ohm and 5 ohm are connected in series. Hence, their equivalent resistance is given by Rs. Therefore, Rs equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 ohm. Now, step number 3. Rs and 6 ohm are parallel with each other. Hence, equivalent resistance of this combination is given by Rp dash. That is, Rp dash is equal to Rs into 6 divided by Rs plus 6. That is equal to 6 into 6 divided by 6 plus 6. After simplifying this, we get 3 ohm. Step 4. Rp and Rp dash are series. Hence, effective resistance of this combination is given by Rs dash is equal to Rp plus Rp dash, that is equal to 0.92 plus 3 is equal to 3.92 ohm. Okay, this is the effective resistance or equivalent resistance of the given combination of resistors. Question number 2. Two coils have an effective resistance of 16 ohm when connected in series and 3.75 ohm when connected in parallel. Find the individual resistances. Okay, here two coils are given. When these two coils are connected in series, their equivalent resistance is equal to 16 ohm, and when the same coils are connected in parallel, and their equivalent resistance is 3.75 ohm. Question is, what is the value of resistance of individual coils? Okay, I am going to name those resistance as R1 and R2. Okay, for series connection, we know that Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. Here Rs is given by 16. Therefore, R1 plus R2 is equal to 16. Okay, let this equation be 1. For parallel connection, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay, this I can write it in the form Rp is equal to R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Now put the value of Rp and put the value of R1 plus R2 in this equation. We get 3.75 is equal to R1 into R2 divided by 16. And this I can write it as R1 into R2 is equal to 3.75 into 16, that is equal to 60. Now, using the relation R1 minus R2 whole square is equal to R1 plus R2 whole square minus 4 times R1 into R2. Okay, you have to remember this equation to solve this numerical. That is, R1 minus R2 whole square is equal to R1 plus R2 whole square minus 4 times R1 into R2. Okay, we know the value of R1 plus R2 and R1 into R2. Putting these two values, we get 16 whole square minus 4 into 60, that is equal to 256 minus 240 is equal to 16. and taking square root on both sides, we get R1 minus R2 is equal to 4. Okay, let this equation be 2. Okay, now we got two equations. One is R1 plus R2 is equal to 16 and second one is R1 minus R2 equal to 4. Okay, in first equation R2 is positive and in second equation R2 is negative. Therefore, by adding equation 1 and 2, we get, okay, when we add equation 1 and 2, R2 will get cancelled and we get 2 times R1 is equal to 20. That is R1 is equal to 10 ohm. Okay, here 2 into 1 and 2 into 10. Finally, we get the value of R1 is equal to 10 ohm. Now, putting this value in equation number 1, we get R2 is equal to 16 minus R1, that is equal to 16 minus 10, that is equal to 6 ohm. That is R2 is equal to 6 ohm. Okay, now we got the value of R1 and R2. R1 is equal to 10 ohm and R2 is equal to 6 ohm. Okay, when you add these two, you should get 16. That is 10 plus 6 is 16. Hence, whatever the value we have found is correct. Next, question number 3. A battery of EMF 10 volt and internal resistance 3 ohm is connected to a resistor if the current in the circuit is 0.5 ampere. What is the resistance of the resistor and what is the terminal voltage of the battery when the circuit is closed? Okay, here first let us write all the given values. EMF is given 10 volt, internal resistance 3 ohm, current 0.5 ampere. We need to find the value of resistance of resistor and terminal voltage of battery. Okay, for this circuit diagram is given by this circuit. That is, a battery is connected to an external resistance and let us try to find the value of R and then we'll find the value of V. Okay, the current flowing through the circuit is given by I is equal to E divided by R plus small r, where capital R represents external resistance and small r represents internal resistance. Now substituting the values, or first we'll write this equation in the form of capital R, that is R equal to E divided by I minus small r. Now put the value of E, I and R. We get 10 divided by 0.5 minus 3, that is equal to 20 minus 3, that is equal to 17 ohm. The value of external resistance or resistance of resistor is 17 ohm. Next, terminal voltage or terminal potential difference across the battery is given by V equal to E into R divided by R plus small r. Now substituting the values, we get 10 into 17 divided by 17 plus 3 is equal to 170 divided by 20. Okay, after simplifying this, we get the value of V, that is equal to 8.5 volt. The terminal voltage of the battery is 8.5 volt. Next, question number 4. 3 resistors 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm are combined in series. What is the total resistance of the combination? B. If the combination is connected to a battery of EMF 12 volt and a negligible internal resistance, obtain the potential drop across each resistors. Okay, here negligible internal resistance means internal resistance is taken as 0. Now, first write all the given values. R1 is equal to 1 ohm, R2 is equal to 2 ohm, R3 equal to 3 ohm, and voltage of the battery is 12 volt, and I'm going to show this one by diagram. Here 3 resistors are taken, R1, R2, R3, all are connected in series. Okay, when the resistors are connected in series, same amount of current flows through each resistors and potential difference is different across different resistors. Now first let us find the value of total resistance and then total current flowing through the circuit, and then we'll be finding V1, V2 and V3. Okay, part A. Total resistance is equal to Rs equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 6 ohm. Effective resistance or total resistance of the combination is 6 ohm. And current through the circuit is given by, okay, by Ohm's law we know that I is equal to V divided by R. Here R is equivalent resistance of the combination, that is I is equal to V divided by Rs, that is equal to 12 divided by 6, that is equal to 2 ampere. Current flowing through the circuit is 2 ampere and it will be same through all the resistors. Next, potential drop across R1 is given by V1 is equal to I into R1, that is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2 volt. Potential drop across 1 ohm resistor is 2 volt. Potential drop across R2, that is across 2 ohm, is given by V2 is equal to I into R2, that is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4 volt. Potential drop across 2 ohm resistor is 4 volt. Next, potential drop across R3, that is across 3 ohm resistor, is given by V3 equal to I into R3, that is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6 volt. Potential drop across R3 is equal to 6 volt. Okay, if you want to verify this, then add all the potential drops and that should be equal to applied voltage. Okay, what is the applied voltage? Applied voltage is 12 volt. And now let us add all these values. 6 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 12. Hence, whatever the value we have calculated are correct. Next equation, question 5. 3 resistors 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 5 ohm are combined in parallel. What is the total resistance of the combination? Question B. If the combination is connected to a battery of EMF 20 volt and negligible internal resistance, determine the current through each resistors and total current drawn from the battery. Okay, first write all the given values. Circuit diagram for this question is given. 3 resistors R1, R2, R3 are given by 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 5 ohm, and all these 3 are connected in parallel. And this combination is connected across the battery or connected by a battery of voltage 20 volt and internal resistance equal to 0. And this battery will produce a current, and that current will get divided into 3 parts, I1, I2, I3. And first we need to find the equivalent resistance of the combination, and then we have to find I1, I2, I3, and finally we will be finding I. R1 equal to 2 ohm, R2 equal to 4 ohm, R3 equal to 5 ohm. For question A, V equal to 20 volt. For question A, total resistance is equal to 1 by Rp is equal to R1, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Now put the value of R1, R2, R3 in the above equation. We get 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Taking LCM of this and simplifying, we get 19 divided by 20. Now Rp is equal to 20 divided by 19, that is equal to 1.05 ohm. The effective resistance of this combination is equal to 1.05 ohm. Next, current through R1. As you know that all the resistors are connected in parallel combination, potential difference will be same across all the resistors. Current flowing through R1, resistance R1 is given by I1 is equal to V divided by R1, that is equal to 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10 ampere. Okay, 10 ampere of current is flowing through resistance R1. current through R2 is given by I2 is equal to V divided by R2, that is equal to 20 divided by 4, that is equal to 5 ampere. Okay, 5 ampere of current is flowing through R2. Next, current through R3 is given by I3 is equal to V divided by R3, that is equal to 20 divided by 5, that is equal to 4 ampere. 4 ampere of current is flowing through R3 or 5 ohm resistor. Now, total current is equal to I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3, that is equal to 10 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 19 ampere. Okay, this is the total current flowing through the given circuit. Okay, next question number 6. A cell of EMF E and internal resistance R gives a current of 0.5 ampere with external resistance of 12 ohm and a current of 0.25 ampere with external resistance of 25 ohm. Calculate internal resistance and EMF of the cell. Okay, here we have a cell and this cell is connected to external resistance of 12 ohm and this 12 ohm is replaced by 25 ohm. Let us find the value of EMF and internal resistance of the cell. Here we are going to study two cases. First let us write all the given values, or the expression for current is given by I is equal to E divided by R plus small r. Okay, let us use this equation for case 1 and case 2. Case 1. For case 1, the values are given. I is equal to 0.5 ampere and external resistance R is equal to 12 ohm. Putting these two values in the above equation, we get 0.5 is equal to E divided by 12 plus R, and expressing this equation in terms of E, we get E is equal to 12 plus R into 0.5, that is equal to 6.0 plus 0.5 R. Okay, let this equation be 1. Next, for case 2. For case 2, current is equal to 0.25 ampere and external resistance is equal to 25 ohm. That means same cell is connected across different resistor. Now putting these two values in this equation, we get 0.25 is equal to E divided by 25, that is E equal to 25 plus R into 0.25 is equal to 6.25 plus 0.25 R. Okay, let this equation be 2. Now from equation number 1 and 2, equating 1 and 2, we get 6.0 plus 0.5 R is equal to 6.25 plus 0.25. Okay, taking this term to the other side and bringing this one to another side and simplifying, we get R is equal to 1 ohm. Internal resistance of a cell is equal to 1 ohm. Next, putting this value in equation number 1. Substituting this value in equation number 1, we get EMF is equal to 6.0 plus 0.5 into 1 is equal to 6.5 volt. The EMF of the cell is equal to 6.5 volt. Next question. Question number 7. Two conductors of resistances 4 ohm and 8 ohm are connected in parallel with a cell of EMF 3 volt and internal resistance 1 ohm. Calculate the current in each conductor. Okay, here we have two conductors of resistance 4 ohm and 8 ohm are connected in parallel with a cell of EMF 3 volt and internal resistance 1 ohm. And question is, what is the current flowing through each conductors? Okay, we have a diagram here and we have two conductors of resistance R1 and R2, and this is the battery connected across the parallel combination of these two resistors, and a battery produces a current I and when it reaches this point, a part of current flows through R1 and a remaining part of current flows through R2. Current flowing through R1 is given by I1 and current flowing through R2 is given by I2. Now let us find the value of I1 and I2. Okay, write all the given values. R1 is equal to 4 ohm, R2 is equal to 8 ohm. EMF of the cell is 3 volt and internal resistance is 1 ohm. We need to find the value of I1, I2 and I. Now R1 and R2 are connected in parallel, hence effective resistance of these two is given by R equivalent is equal to R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Now put the value of R1 and R2. We get 4 into 8 divided by 4 plus 8 is equal to 32 divided by 2, 12. That is equal to 2.67 ohm. Okay, this is the equivalent resistance of parallel combination of these two resistors. Now let us find the current flowing through the circuit. That is, main current is equal to E divided by R plus small r, where R represents equivalent resistance and small r is internal resistance. Okay, that is equal to 3 divided by 2.67 plus 1, that is equal to 3 divided by 3.67, that is equal to 0.81 ampere. Okay, current flowing through the circuit is equal to 0.81 ampere. Now let us find current flowing through R1 and R2. Current through 4 ohm resistor, that means current through R1 is given by I1 is equal to I into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay, put the value of I, R1 and R2, we get 0.81 into 8 divided by 4 plus 8 is equal to, okay, after simplifying this we get 0.54 ampere. Current flowing through 4 ohm resistor is 0.54 ampere. And current through 8 ohm resistor is given by I2 equal to I into R1 divided by R1 plus R2. That is equal to 0.81 into 4 divided by 4 plus 8, that is equal to 0.27 ampere. Okay, therefore current flowing through 8 ohm resistor is equal to 0.27 ampere. Current flowing through 8 ohm resistance is equal to 0.27 ampere. Thank you.